Fish family.
Chris,
Lauren.
Hudson, and Gaston.
We bought a 1983 MCI Crusader II with plans to turn it into a home on wheels and head off to places we've only ever dreamed of.
Join us as we renovate our lives
And take on the adventure of a lifetime.
after much research, we chose to use super strut channels to secure our solar panels to the roof. This required drilling through the roof of the bus and the steel frame below. First, I pre-drilled through the top and then the bottom to ensure correct alignment. The holes were opened up using a larger drill bit to match the selected bolts. We installed bolts and washers from the inside and finished it off above with a rubber washer, a steel washer, and a lock nut. For added protection against leaks, we use construction-grade roof sealant. We put down another washer and moved the rails into position. Followed by a final washer and a lock nut.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these and one of these. We're going to place it inside here. Like so. Same thing over here. Now we're going to take a measurement. It's going to be 55 inches wide. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a solar panel and I'm going to set them up where the brackets are 55 inches wide so that I can bring it back up here and mount it to the top of the bus. I figured out that this is the distance. I'm going to use the supplied hardware. Came with the mounting brackets that I ordered off the line.
for dancing the piano. Whoa, that's it. I'm gonna have to sit back.
Each panel was carefully lifted and bolted into place. We bought 4 Panasonic 335 watt monocrystalline solar panels off of Facebook Marketplace. This will give us around 1,300 watts of solar input.
So now that we're up here ready to film this, I realized that I gotta move this bracket over, go down the ladder, move the ladder to the other side, climb up the other side and move it over, then climb back down, move the ladder over here and climb back up. Put the bolt in. Welcome to bus life.
We spent about $250 on our rail installation and another $500 on our solar panels, but we still have a lot more to do, so stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe to follow our journey. You may also find us on Instagram and Facebook or follow our blog at www.renovatedbuslife.com.